My plans.
I haven't been into his place lately in quite a while. Man, look how tight the cars are packed in here.
We should go get your pants, you Claudia. I'm jealous. Go get your belly button pierced.
I'm pretty sure I did not hear you correctly that time.
I said there's a
You're
piercing.
not touching my fuzzy navel.
I said there's a piercing place back there so we can go and get your belly button pierced.
Oh, I see. It's a cool steakhouse. It's an old church.
But it's expensive there.
Yeah, I bet it is.
I bet they know how to cook a steak. I don't know, the best restaurant I've been to was, I want to say Churchill's was pretty good.
Churchill's is really good.
But Anthony's was pretty good.
Oh, what the hell are you doing?
It was died, dude.
Yeah, there are white caps, aren't there? Mm-hmm. Wind's really blowing.
Yeah, it's just I'm kind of glad I wore my pants.
It would have been a little awkward if you didn't wear pants. You know, a lot of people must park right over here and then walk across over to...
Probably it's easier.
Yeah.
That's like brilliant. It's only $10 to park there. Why not? I'd pay $10 for not having to try to find parking in New Hope. Right?
I can't hear you. You need to speak up.
I'm talking normal. I'm not going to yell.
Well, then it's your choice to be ignored.
I don't appreciate your sass.
Oh, you are not going to just ignore me like that.
I done did. Ignored you.
You sure that did too?
I did. I'm like, no boy, no.
You're like, boy, bye. Stay. Stay.
I'm talking like normal.
I know, but you're talking softly. You're like whispering.
It's how I talk.
You normally talk quiet and all whispery. All breathy. Hello.
Oh my god. I'm pretty sure I don't talk like that.
Okay, it might not be quite like that, but...
I'm not breathy.
Hello. This is an interesting one. We've never seen this one before.
I know.
But it's kind of funny how they built another road right next to the covered bridge. That one needs a little bit of help.
To keep flow of traffic going.
Oh, okay, I guess yeah, they built another bridge right next to it. So this must have all got washed out. This is a one-lane bridge.
That's a pretty horse.
You got bell bottoms on.
It sure is. That a Clydesdale?
It looks like one, huh?
Yeah.
Big old workhorse.